Alright, so here is a video on some more Target finds. Target has been giving me a bunch of trouble on damaged items and refunding us for damaged items. So therefore, once again, we will not be ordering from Target anymore. They are so hard-headed and so obnoxious on being hard-headed on fucking people in the ass that their customers in the ass for their fuck-ups, for Target fuck-ups. So therefore, I can no longer do business with Target anymore because I just refuse to be getting robbed over stuff that is not my fault or my kids' fault. It's just not our fault, period. I have enough of that extra stuff going on in my life dealing with other obnoxious, hard-headed people. So I just got off the phone with Target because this kit arrived melted and damaged, and they will not refund us. They will not refund us for the previous orders where the packages were purposely and intentionally open and dismantled inside the shipping box. They refused to refund us. They refused to refund us for damaged notebook that we received in shipping and stuff. So, and their excuse is we have to physically take it back to the store in order to get a refund when we don't even have a store here. The nearest store is Sun Prairie. So anyways, this is the one damaged item we received out of this order today. Like I said, they had a good deal with the school items. These items here, they do consider school kits, and therefore they had 15% off of school stuff. So this one here arrived damaged, where even the ink on the box melted onto the products here, and the paint's even melted. This is the worst one out of them all, and this stuff here is soft and melted. Here's the brush. Even the brush is disordered, where it was, this stuff had melted on the brush. And then we have other kits where they are melted together and stuck together and cracked. I don't know if you can see that crack there on the side of the paintbrush. But, yeah, so they're, like, stuck together. And then this kit here has a dent inside the dyno. So this is the one kit where stuff was all melted. So when they cool off, this will have to be painted over. Now, for this kit with the 3-piece wooden pieces, they are not double-sided to paint. They're only one-sided, which I thought was kind of stupid. They should have been double-sided. So there's this 3-piece kit here. Now this kit, I believe everything was $5 plus the 15% off, except for this kit here that was melted was $15, and they don't want to refund or do a partial refund or anything. So people are so focused on being obnoxious that they don't do their jobs correctly. So, these are the paints here cooling off where the stuff melted all on there too as well. So I got all these paints cooling off right now for these kits. It is your decision, your choice if you would like to purchase these products from Target. If you want to do business with Target. I personally don't have time or effort. I don't need to put extra, anything into Target when they used to be a non-stressful company to me, but then they became very stressful because, between them and FedEx delivery and UPS deliveries and them how they do their shipping and they don't do their shipping correctly and so forth, and then not wanting to compensate or reimburse the customers for their own fuck ups and treating the customer as if the customer is the criminal. I do not need that type of disrespect in my life. I have enough disrespect going on with people around in the medical field and everywhere else. I don't need it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't need it. I don't like it. And they can take that shit and shove it up their ass. Instead of taking their 2 cents and trying to shove their disrespectful shit and obnoxicity up my ass, they can take it and shove it up their ass. So this is one kit here. It came with a paintbrush and some paints. So like I said, these two here are stuck together, glued together. I mean, ugh, gross. They're going in the garbage. And so is that one. And then here's a different kit. So we have the kit of the wooden ones right here. And like I said, the one had a dent in it. And they're not double-sided. They should be double-sided. We have a unicorn here. This is a different kit. And then we have the balloon dog. So as I work on my journals, I will be doing, me and my son will do painting. So we did the dino and the dragon because we're working on the dino writing journals that I'm making. And I'm going to do, like, if I can do more than 2, if I have enough materials, I'm going to do more than 2. I'm just going to do as many as I can with the supplies I have before I go on to the unicorn ones. So when I go into the unicorn one, then we'll be painting the unicorn. And then when we do the circus ones, we'll do the balloon dog and parts with the circus. Now this, they had just a plain paint your own mug kit, and this one came with a paint tray. None of the other ones came with a paint tray. So this is where they tell you, place it on a baking sheet and in the oven for 30 minutes at the 355, and then turn your oven off and let it sit in there and cool so it doesn't crack. We're not using ours or painting ours to be drinking out of, so we're doing them to like put stuff in and have for decoration. So there's the plain mug. Nothing wrong with it. It's just got a little dent in it on the bottom. And it has that. So those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kits we got in with that 15% off deal. These paintbrushes can be okay, and sometimes they cannot be. So we have our own extra paintbrushes. We tend to cut the hairs down on them, some of them, because it's easier to paint with the hairs shorter than longer on the paintbrushes. And like I said, these are the paint dog, the balloon dog, and this one are new since 2025. Now the mug is a 2025, and the unicorn is as well. So let me double check on that. Balloon dog. And let's see, the wooden. See, it doesn't show you it that they're not double-sided, and it didn't in advertisement, so I thought they would be double-sided. Let's see, which would make sense to me, but they are not. And this is older. Yeah, I remember seeing, these are 2023, so the wooden ones. Let me see here, sorry. Balloon dog. Yeah, so Balloon Dog is a 2026. Like, yeah, I knew it was because yeah, it's a 2026. And so is the, which one is this here? The unicorn is an older one, like the dinosaur one. That's a 2021. And yeah, this flower bag is a 2026. So yeah, like I said, normally around like somewhere around maybe August, September, October. No, I mean August, September, October. They come out with some new ones for like Christmas and stuff. So I don't know if they'll come out with any Halloween ones or not. I haven't seen any Halloween ones yet. That'd be nice if they came out with some Halloween like pumpkin ones, ceramic pumpkins or something. But I have not seen those there yet. So we do keep up on the Mondo Llama stuff. Because like that's where we get our glitter glues and stuff like that. But you know, Target wants to be obnoxious with refunds and cooperating and so forth, and want to be hard-headed and do wrong instead of right.